the latest update on XSifter, a platform for extracting X data using an API and a Twitter-approved web interface. I'm going to create a new project with a single rule, which is I'm interested in a phrase, Save America Act. I'm going to set a date range. Let's just say August 1 to August 2, and I'm going to go get an estimate. I'm not going to check this box yet. Let's see. Well, the first estimate for one day is 12,000 tweets with no retweets. If I go back and get the estimate with retweets, it's 90,772, which is why we made the default no retweet. If I want to collect a data set with retweets, I'm probably going to do something more like this right now because these data are not free. They are pay as you go, and so I might select a single day and a single smaller slice of time, say 10 a.m. to, let's call it 12 noon. Include retweets, that's 2 hours. Include retweets, the estimate is 3,867. That might be smaller than I want. If you don't include the retweets, the estimate is just 531. I might decide to expand this out a little bit. Go back to 7 a.m. to noon, include retweets. 10,000 is the estimate. Well, I might be interested in this data, so I'm going to submit the query. I'm going to go into my XSifter testing project, which is in Discover Text, where this data goes and this data lives, and where this data can be analyzed. And that's the process. The estimated items never works out to be the actual number of items. It's often less, could be significantly less. We'll find out. I'm going to pause the video and wait till the query is done loading the data into Discover Text to see how many items we actually got. We're back. The data was loaded. 10,651 items. Here we can see them in the list view. Go in to the individual item view and just start taking a peek at the types of things that people are posting about the Save America Act. See, we're using the Twitter display. So in many cases we're talking about people who are replying to or quote tweeting other people's content. It's one of the advantages of using the Twitter display. This archive turned out to have 180 duplicate groups in it. You can see the most highly retweeted content from the same user, first and third group, and some of the other folks on the list in the Save America Act Twitter data. Again, this is just a small sample from a few hours. Go back and look at the archive time track. See that this is just from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. You can break this down, show it by the minute, and that would be Greenwich Mean Time for this particular way of representing the data. Anyway, I thought it was important that you see that the workflow allows you to go from XSifter directly into Discover Text, where the data lives in a Twitter compliant platform where deleted, suspended, or protected tweets cannot be displayed. We continue to make improvements to this system so that the XSifter app allows people to do the research they need to do to understand what's going on with Twitter. Thanks.